Onion peels can be a great source of nutrients for your plants. Keep following this video because today we will discuss all about onion peel fertilizer, its benefits for plants, the right way to use it, and some of its drawbacks at the end. So do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Onion skin fertilizer is the powdered form fertilizer made from the dried skin of onions. It contains many essential nutrients for your plants. All we need is to apply it correctly. First, let's talk about some of its unique benefits. First thing is that it have many essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, sulfur and much more. And remember, all of these elements are the basic plant elements and promote a lot of growth. So onion peels are a great source of these nutrients. Another benefit of using onion peels for plants is that they have pesticidic properties. Onion peels have a strong smell which is unliked by many pests. And most of the pests are transported by the insects from one plant to another, and the aroma of onion peels is hated by the insects as well. So this way onion peels can save your plants from many pest related problems. Onion peels are a natural source of elements, so this is also their plus point, especially when we are growing vegetable plants. Another benefit of onion peels is that their regular use makes the soil very soft and porous, and such a soil mix is very helpful for growing any type of plant. You can also make a good soil mix at home using simple ingredients. Detailed video is linked in the description box and I button, must check it out. Using onion skin fertilizer is also very useful for your flowering plants. It promotes new buds, makes the flowers to bloom very healthily and ultimately converting it into the fruit. So that's also a very unique property of onion peels. As the onion skin fertilizer is an organic fertilizer, it works very steadily. The results appear slowly but have long lasting effects. First the matter will decompose under the soil, and after that roots take it inside the plant day by day. So this thing also gives us a great advantage. Another benefit of this organic fertilizer is that it's a free fertilizer. We can make it by just using the dried skin of onions. The waste is recycled and we got better growth also. So subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Onion skin fertilizer also have this plus point that it is best for using on vegetable plants. It not only keeps the insects and pests away, but also improve the fruiting of your plants by providing them essential nutrients very consistently. So overall this makes this fertilizer very useful. But the right way of making and using it for plants is extremely important. So now let's talk about that. For making a fertilizer out of onion peels, you can follow two ways. You can either make their liquid fertilizer or such powder form fertilizer. The liquid fertilizer works quickly while the powdered onion peels work steadily. For making the liquid fertilizer of onion peels, you can take a liter of simple water in a bottle and add around a handful of these peels into it. Now place this pot in a warm and shaded area for some days. After 3 to 5 days, the liquid will turn its color dark and pinkish. Now it's ready. We can dilute it with 10 parts of more water, means 1 part of this concentrated liquid and 10 parts of simple water. Mix well. And now our onion peels liquid fertilizer is ready to use. For making the powder onion peels fertilizer, you can simply dry the upper onion skin in the sun for a few days. After that, you can crush them into a powder form like this, and our onion skin fertilizer is ready to use. You can also read an article on onion peels uses from the description box link. Correctly applying onion peels is important, otherwise the insects will gather around the trunk of your plant. Now lose the upper layer of soil and let it dry for a day or so. Once it's dry, you can take your liquid fertilizer and add it over the soil surface. Use up to 100 ml for a 4 to 5 inches of pot and use around 200 ml for a 10 inches of pot. This way you can apply this onion peels liquid fertilizer twice a month. For applying the onion peels powder, you can lose the upper layer of soil and add a dose of onion peels powder. Use up to 2 tablespoons for an 8 inches of pot and increase or decrease the amount respectively. Mix the fertilizer with the soil very well and add frequent amount of water. Remember not to fertilize your plants in the dormancy time and apply it only once a month. You can use onion peels liquid as well as powder fertilizer on almost all type of plants, either it's a flowering plant, indoor plant or a succulent. But for succulents and cacti, it's better not to use. For them you can use this homemade fertilizer. A detailed video on making this fertilizer is linked in the description box, you can check that. And remember not to use this for seedlings or use a very small dose. There are also some drawbacks of onion peels for plants that you must know. First thing is that it can attract insects and pests. Means if you don't mix it properly with the soil, the insects can come. So it's important to mix the fertilizer with the soil very well. Another thing is that onion peels fertilizer is a great fertilizer for flowering plants but it shouldn't be used regularly. It's not a balanced fertilizer and its long-term use on plants can cause several deficiencies. So the better way is to mix it with some other fertilizers and then use for plants. This is a fertilizer for heavy feeder plants like tomatoes, hibiscus, roses, etc. using onion peels. So you can use this fertilizer. It will provide you similar benefits. Here is the video for making this. Must check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.